In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a new audience in MailChimp, step by step. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. It helps us keep bringing you valuable content. To get started with importing your contacts into MailChimp, first log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, there's a menu. Click on Audience from this menu. This will take you to the section where your contacts are listed. Since you don't have any contacts yet, you'll only see the Import Contacts button. Click this button to start the import process. You'll be taken to a new page where you'll choose how to import your contacts. There are 3 options available. The first option is Import from another service. This allows you to connect with services like Salesforce, Zapier, or Shopify if you use any of these to manage your contacts. This option will directly import your contacts from those services into MailChimp. The second option is Upload a file. If you have your contacts saved in a file, this is the way to go. Click Upload a file, and then you can either click Browse to find your file or drag and drop the file into the designated area. Make sure your file is in CSV format, which is commonly used for contact lists. Prepare your contact list in an Excel spreadsheet, save it as a CSV file, and then upload it to MailChimp. Once your file is uploaded, MailChimp will ask you to select the audience you'd like to add these contacts to. Make sure to check the box that allows for updates to existing contacts if needed. You'll also need to choose tags to properly categorize and organize your contacts. If you're unsure about how to tag your contacts, you can select the Choose the Match option and let MailChimp automatically assign appropriate tags based on your data. After assigning tags, you'll be taken to the next step, which involves setting the subscription status of your contacts. You'll see options such as Subscribed, Unsubscribed, or Non-subscribed. Review what each status means and set the subscription status according to your needs. Typically, if you're importing new contacts who have already opted into your communications, you'd select Subscribed. Once you've set the appropriate status, click Finalize Import to move on. On the following page, you'll have a chance to review your import settings before completing the process. When you're ready, click on Complete Import. Your contacts will now be imported, and you can click on View Contacts to see the newly added entries. All your contacts should be visible within your audience, properly tagged and updated as needed. If you choose the third import option, Copy and Paste, the process is a bit different. Selecting this option will bring you to a page with a blank text box, along with an example of how to format your contacts for import. To use this method, open your Excel sheet, copy the contact data, and paste it directly into the provided text box in MailChimp. After pasting the data, you'll again need to select your audience and check the box to update existing contacts. Just like before, assign tags to organize your contacts, or let MailChimp choose tags automatically. Once you've tagged your contacts, proceed to set their subscription status, and after reviewing everything, click Finalize Import. On the next page, double-check the details and hit Complete Import. Now, with the process complete, click on View Contacts to ensure that all of your contacts have been successfully imported into your MailChimp account. I hope you found the tutorial useful. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tutorials. For in-depth guides and resources, check out mediamagnet.business. See you in the next video.